A special prosecutor brought in to take on the murder case against a Minnesota State trooper is defending the Hennepin County Attorney's Office in its decision to file charges. While charges against Trooper Ryan Londrigan have since been dropped, a lengthy report released late this afternoon says the decision to prosecute was justified. But it's also critical of the State Patrol, saying troopers and training officers refused to cooperate with the investigation. The traffic stop shooting of Ricky Cobb and the criminal case that followed has been highly controversial. It pit law enforcement groups against prosecutors, with those groups arguing Londrigan was following his training and never should have been charged in the first place. Reporter Ben Henry has been reading through this report and what the special prosecutor found. Ben.
Lindsay, the report is nearly 70 pages long with hundreds more pages of just supporting documents. It was prepared by national firm Steptoe, which we're also learning today charged the county more than $575,000 for their work. Not only does it explain why charges were dropped, it's highly critical of the State Patrol.
In its introduction, they make their feelings clear. Ricky Cobb should be alive today. Written by special prosecutors from law firm Steptoe, it gives reasons and recommendations for state agencies. The report, dated June 4th, the day after Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty announced she's dismissed the murder, manslaughter, and assault charges against Trooper Ryan Londrigan.
I know it's a struggle for people to understand, especially in community and especially the Cobb family. Why not go do that? You know, ethically we can't as prosecutors.
It outlines why, pointing to new evidence, including written testimony from Trooper Londrigan and other troopers and trainers who say Londrigan's actions were warranted.
How you doing, my man?
Still writing. This outcome does not mean that the county attorney or special prosecutors believe that Trooper Londrigan acted appropriately.
I'm going to need you to step out, though.
The report pointing to poor tactics and inadequate academy training that produced a result we believe to have been entirely avoidable. Special prosecutors say the troopers at the I-94 traffic stop did not make a plan for Mr. Cobb's arrest.
Get out of the door now!
At one point, calling Trooper Londrigan's decision to open the passenger door of Cobb's car a dangerous tactical blunder. Then during the investigation, the report describes lack of cooperation from members of the Minnesota State Patrol. Approximately 37 troopers refused to participate in interviews with the BCA or never responded to requests for interviews, adding that it undermines the rule of law. The nearly 70-page report ending with recommendations for the State Patrol and Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension, like changes to use of force policies and training, including more focus on de-escalation. It also recommends the Public Safety Commissioner consider authorizing an internal affairs investigation into the cooperation or lack of cooperation by MSP members in this matter.
The State Patrol not mincing words tonight in a statement writing, "The State Patrol is committed to transparency and strong professional working relationships with internal and external partners. The Minnesota State Patrol disagrees with the report released by the Hennepin County Attorney's Office insinuating a lack of cooperation by our troopers," adding, "We're extremely disappointed in the inaccuracies of current and previous statements made by the Hennepin County Attorney." The Minnesota Police and Peace Officers Association also with sharp words tonight, writing, quote, "Shame on her for hating police so much she can't ethically do her job." Just earlier this week, the MPPOA filed an ethics complaint against her over how Moriarty handled the case, Lindsay.
What a case this has been. Ben, thank you so much.